Hello and welcome again to another tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to see how you can install the Wireshark network analyzer tool. So we are talking about this one. If you search Wireshark, you can see the first official page, which is www.wireshark.org. The download page is appeared over here. You can see the basic information about Wireshark. If you don't know what Wireshark is, so I'm going to tell you it's a free open source package, as you can see, packet analyzer. It is used for network troubleshooting, analyzing software and communication protocol development and education, originally named from this. So I'm using this particular software for like 9 years now. I'm working as a Linux and system administrator as well as VoIP engineer in a private company. So I used to work with this thing each and every day, like maybe 100 or 20 times a day, because we need to analyze the zip file or the VoIP files or the network packet tools. So yeah, I'm going to show you how you can download and install it correctly. So we are going to click over here, download Wireshark. Once you click on that, it will directly take you to the download page. Don't have to go to the home page. But if you wanted to see or if you wanted to learn about this software, you can let me know in the comment section. I will be very happy to make a video on these things, because this particular software contains many features and it's going to take much time to learn and every features. So we click the logo over here, it will take us to the official page and you can see the basic details, like why it's going to use all the features. If you wanted to learn more, you can also see their blogs. They post many things and all the peoples from this community also see these things. So let's continue with our download things. As you can see, once we click the download option, it's open this particular page. Now you can see there are many things over here. So what are these? These are the details they are saying. They are saying that this is the stable release. The version is 4.2.6. Means this particular version is stable. This is for the Windows 64-bit installer. Okay, and this is for the ARM64 installer. You also have the portable app for the ISO and the source code. You can also download their old stable release, okay, and the other things. You can also see their documentation over here, which is mentioned. So we are going to click on this. Let's click over here. Now it started to downloading. As you can see, it's downloading. It's not a large software. This software is only for 82.5 Mbps. Can you imagine? This is a very great software, very great tool, and it's only 82.5 MB. So let's just download it. Depend on your internet speed. Right now connected with my home network. So yeah, I think it's almost done. Okay, it's done. It's now collecting all the packets in the backend, as I know. So just 1 second. Okay, it's done. Now we're going to open it. Okay, as you can see, the software is open now. We are going to install it. It's saying the welcome to Wireshark 4.2.6 version setup file. Let's click on the next. This is the GNU General Public License. Then I'm going to click on the noted. You can donate if you like. Next, this is the all the select component that you can install, like Android on all the other things, but I don't need these things, but I only need the Wireshark and the T-Circ and the basic functions. Click the next. You can select if you wanted to install the desktop icon, and make sure you make this thing check mark, because it's going to install all this particular extension. Then next, this is the location where the software is going to install. Next, now it's saying install NCAP. Okay, so what is NCAP? It's a network analyzing tool. Okay, I'm going to give you another video on that. We are using this, like we basically use this thing, like if you wanted to check how many ports are open, etc. Okay, it's a really great tool. I'm going to give you another video on this thing. because this particular tool deserves a separate video, as I believe. Okay, we are going to install it. So okay, and then next, it's saying if you wanted to install the USB pcap, so I'm not going to do that. Okay, this is the output folder, and now it's going to install. I believe it will take some time, so let me pause this video for now. Okay, as you can see, it started installing the files, but now it gave me the encap setup option because I clicked that I'm going to install encap. So yeah, we have to click on the agree. This is the restriction encap driver access to administrator only. If you check this thing, what it will do, it will only going to work to those users who have administration access. This is for the raw 802.11 traffic. If you wanted to, for the wireless adapters, you can also track your access or capture the logs from your Wi-Fi also. And this is for the WinCap API compatibility mode. So I'm not going to select any of these because I'm not going to capture any packet from my Wi-Fi. So yeah, if you wanted to, you can select from any of these options. So this particular section is now paused. As you can see, it will not going to continue until this particular page is completed. So you have to have patience and wait. It will take a minute or two to install this thing, because this is the encap tool we are talking about. Okay, it's really helpful. It has a Linux version of it. Okay, its actually name is Nmap. Okay, as you can see this logo, I'm really eager to make a video on this thing, because I hope you guys will like this particular video about this Nmap. Okay, as you can see, the Nmap setup is now completed. So finished. Now it's also started again. So it's only take 2 or 3 minutes to install this particular software, depending on your computer processing power. I'm using my laptop at the moment, which is not so good. The only device I have my home, so that's why it's taking that much time. But if your computer is a bit powerful and it has some good processing power, then it will not take that much time, which is taking in my case. But I hope you can see and understand how to install this particular software. It also has a cloud version. So if I show you, it's happening in the background. If I show you, it's called Wireshark. It's the same, this option, www.cloudshark. So yeah, this is the cloud interface of this particular software. As you can see, it's also completed. So next, it's finished. Okay, so as I was talking about, this is the cloud version of the software. You can also log in and save whatever files you are uploading. So it's also good, but I personally like this application because we can do much more thing which is not which can be done in the cloud search. So yeah, as you can see, it's open now it's reading the Ethernet port, the live traffic. As you can see, if I just open it for a brief moment, you see the packets are getting captured automatically from here. It is a packet which is just getting from my Ethernet to the outside. So as you can see, all these details is showing. You can stop it from here and read all these files. You can apply any filter if you like. If you wanted me to make a separate video on this thing, let me know. I'm going to show you how you can do that. But for today, if you find this video any helpful, please like and subscribe my channel, and I'm going to see you to the next video. Thank you.